Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Open the Google Play Store on your Android phone to update Gboard. Search for Gboard in the store using the top search bar. Tap the Gboard app entry to open its page and review details. If an update button appears, tap Update to download the latest version to your device. Use a Wi-Fi connection to avoid mobile data charges and speed the download. Wait until the installation finishes before you open the keyboard to ensure changes apply correctly. If Play Store search fails, update Gboard from Android settings instead. Open Settings and choose Apps or Apps and Notifications to view installed apps. Find and tap Gboard to open its app info screen on your device. Use the three-dot menu or App Details in Store link to jump to the Play Store page. Tap Update there if available. To avoid manual updates, enable auto-update for Gboard from the Play Store App Details menu. If an update fails, start by clearing the Google Play Store cache and storage. Open Settings, Apps, Google Play Store, then Storage, and tap Clear Cache and Clear Storage. Check device free space and free at least 200 MB before retrying the update. Restart your phone after clearing storage and attempt the update again. For iOS devices, open the App Store, search Gboard, and tap Update beside the app to install the latest version.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.